下邊強調受到紐西蘭技術環境嘅提升之下，專題報道。紐西蘭呢差唔多有480隻語言島，本下網圖書嘅毛利社會對生活地圖吸收毛利嘅語言文化知識，當自然嘅外國母語。毛利嘅語言島非常有名，台灣也有人學按嘅方式做母語傳承。我實際詢問語言島嘅相關人員，你發現語言對呢個狀況未當滿意，做乜嘅話樣，向下去了解。
我哋拜訪嘅一座語言島，有一個大學畢業無許久嘅後生先生，將為安尼演繹落成體驗嘅後生人，其實唔係幾多。
Majority of like my age group, because we're called the kohanga generation, where kohanga was first started. So a lot of my peers have gone all overseas to find a better life.
每因為毛利語經過亞太嘅傳承，就算語言島嘅數量已經降到全盛期嘅480件呢，唔過實質還係唔拉，人才還會本政府搶去。
We've got enough, but probably the quality of language is not enough. We are still looking at, we continuously look at ways that we can improve or accelerate the number of Māori speaking Māori.
They're quite happy to take our teachers into their institutions. And our teachers are going because there's better pay for them. But the qualification, they don't recognize our qualification as being the same as theirs.
伊講到政府語言島國家信託嘅人，規廠路有18不滿，唔過也規無解釋，冇辦法唔靠政府支持，唔過係政府落來作為，好多事情也都變質咧。故所雖然有嘅語言島，毛利語中小學，還有毛利大學，唔過還係用主流嘅架構來運作，唔係毛利嘅方式。
And all of a sudden, government, without consulting Maoridom, just plonked us all over in the Western educational model. The Western model of education is fundamentally flawed because it focuses on the teacher, the qualifications, the quality of the service, the salary, the buildings, the diddly-doodly-do. Nowhere in that set of criteria is there any mention of the value of family. So what we do is, in the Western model, at 5, we disconnect children from their whānau and place the responsibility on teachers.
Our own kohanga reo structure of learning, or Māori structure I should say, is actually not complicated. What's complicated, the learning for us in kohanga reo, is the compliances. Once we got licensed, we got funding, and then under the Ministry of Education, we also have what they call Education Review Office. They come in and they review or audit how your kohanga reo is performing. The problem is where we are reviewed or audited against a mainstream practices rather than Māori practices.
歸到對一開始入落成體毛利語言復甦運動嘅人都認為，某位家庭也就部分，大家都唔會了解自家係毛利人嘅價值體內。故所更加語言島看起來同一般嘅托兒所原來印象中係規則得受理嘅，而係是由現團政府大廈整治，除了希望是得個自由嘅運用經費，同時用毛利嘅方式來運作。韓國重要嘅係要確保毛利人當下都了解，無論有語言島冇，家長都愛將論語言，本身人嘅了解家庭同毛利文化嘅價值。客家新聞馮陽山吳義勇喺紐西蘭嘅